Mostly sunny. Highs in the...
An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, Ottawa County, Sandusky County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 10 miles northwest of Put-in Bay and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Other storms were in northern Wood County moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Port Clinton, Clyde, Sandusky, Green Springs, Put-in Bay, Kelly's Island, Castalia, Bellevue. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Ottawa, and Sandusky.